Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing about what is rehabilitation, what is prosthetic and orthotic science, the role of a prosthetist and orthotist in rehabilitation, what is WHO description regarding this profession. Also, we will discuss the importance of ISO, that is International Organization for Standardization. In professional category, orthotics and prosthetics is an allied health profession in which the clinician assess and treat the physical and functional limitations of people resulting from illness and disabilities including limb amputations. Prosthetist and orthotist professionals are important member of multidisciplinary rehabilitation team like physiotherapy, occupational therapy or speech therapy and so on. If we will discuss about whether this field is medical or engineering, then there are different school of thoughts. For example, the Europeans, they believe that it's an engineering profession, but the Americans along with Canada, Australia believes that it is a medical profession. But as per the WHO, prosthetists and orthotists are clinicians and should be recognized as independent health professionals with a distinct professional title, profile and job description. In India, this course is regulated by Rehabilitation Council of India, that is RCI. This is a picture of WHO standards in prosthetics and orthotics. Here some important points are highlighted like prosthetics and orthotics is a treatment, prosthetic orthotic center is a clinic, prosthetist and orthotist is a clinician, prosthetics and orthotics is not a technical work, and also prosthetist and orthotist differs from a prosthetic and orthotic technician. Before discussing about what is prosthetics and orthotics, we should know what is rehabilitation, as this profession is included for the treatment of differently abled person. According to WHO, it is defined as a set of measures that assist individuals who experience or are likely to experience disability to achieve and maintain optimum functioning in interaction with their environments. We should know the outcomes of rehabilitation measures, that is, prevention of the loss of function, slowing the rate of loss of function, improvement or restoration of function, compensation for loss of function, maintenance of current function. So with the help of prosthetics and orthotic devices, we can reintegrate the differently abled person into the society again. In this picture, you can notice how a person's life is changing from a phase of wheelchair to phase of running. The patient is in wheelchair due to amputation of the both lower limbs. After prosthetic fitment, the patient will start walking with the help of elbow crutch in the initial phase of great training. After that, the patient can walk easily, even he can run also. During my lecture, you might have noticed I have used different terminologies which are almost similar. Now I will tell you what is that. So first terminology is prosthesis. It is an externally applied device used in replacement of absent limb segment. Then prosthetics. It is the science and art of treating people by the use of prosthesis. And prosthetist is a clinician who can assess, design and fit the prosthesis. This is a diagrammatical presentation to make you understand regarding the terminologies. Here the prosthetist will use the biomechanical concept to design, fabricate and fit the prosthesis. Similarly, same type of terminologies are there in orthotics. Orthosis is the externally applied device to weakened part of the body. Orthotics is the science of treating people with orthosis and orthotist is the clinician. This is also a diagrammatical presentation to make you understand regarding the orthotic terminologies. Here the orthotist will use the biomechanical concept to design, fabricate and fit the orthosis. We should also know the importance of ISO, that is International Organization for Standardization. ISO is an independent international organization body who describe some specific acronyms for orthotics and prosthetics depending on the anatomical joints or body segments. For example, ankle foot orthosis, knee orthosis, below knee prosthesis, above knee prosthesis, etc. The importance of ISO is to generate an appropriate prescription so that any clinician can understand what that prescription means for anywhere in the world. We must know what is the role of orthotist or prosthetist. Generally, a orthotist or prosthetist assess, prescribe, design, fit, monitor and educate regarding the use and care of the given device that solves an individual requirements. What qualifications are required to practice as an orthotist or prosthetist? Minimum of you need bachelor degree to practice as a clinician. Orthotist or prosthetist study the same core subjects as other allied health professions such as anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, biomechanics, etc., including prosthetic science and orthotic science. An orthotist or prosthetist requires strong technical skills as well as thorough understanding of clinical assessment, the application of orthotic and prosthetic techniques, and research methodology to support evidence-based practice. Thank you all for watching our video. Do like, subscribe and share. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new video.